Okay, so let's take another example. Let's play an A chord. So first of all, I'm going to find my A. There's Dwayne the dog in the doghouse. We can either go up to the A or down to the A. Let's go down. So there's our D, C, B, and A. Take my little finger, finger 5, play the A. Miss out a note with finger 4. Play a C with my middle finger. Miss out the D with my second finger. And play an E with my thumb. If I then play those notes together, I'm playing an A chord. Now, you may be able to hear that chord, and you'd be right in saying that that was a minor chord, not a major chord. So your next question is, well, why is ACE a minor chord when it's using all white notes, and CEG a major chord when it is also using white notes? And this is the explanation. The reason a C is a major chord and an A is a minor chord is to do with the space between the bottom note, which is called the root, and the middle note, which is called the mediant, or the third. If we look at the number of semitones between a C and an E, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 semitones in between a C and an E. If, however, we look at the number of semitones between an A and a C, that's the first and the third from an A chord, can you see that there are 1, 2, 3 semitones? So the reason a major chord is a major chord is because there are 4 semitones between the bottom note and the middle note, or the root and the third. In a minor chord, there are 3 semitones between the root and the third. So if we go back to our A chord, ACE, if we want to turn it into a major chord, so from A minor to A major, we need to raise the middle note up a semitone to a C sharp. So an A major chord will now be A C sharp E, and an A minor chord will be the original A C E. If we go back to the C chord, which is originally, or in its original state of the white notes, is a C major chord, C, E, G. If we want to turn that to a minor chord, so change it from a major to a minor, because there are already 4 semitones between the C and the E, we actually need to flatten or lower the middle note to an E flat, so there are 3 semitones between the C and the E flat, as opposed to 4, which are between the C and the E.